Good morning, students. Now it is HS1st year mathematics, and yes, period is actually from 3 p.m. But I will give this video before this one, as if you get free or any teachers they are not able to take their classes, then you can see this video, and you have to do the homeworks. My homework is very simple, less time consuming, and you have to submit, otherwise you cannot get your attendance as present. So with that expectation that you will not feel any disturbance with the other period. Okay, now let's start. We have done, that is relation function. First exercise already we have finished. Now we will do our next part, that is a definition. Some definition we have to learn from this one. So first definition we are here doing, it is relation. Relation, yes, it is of course between two set. We cannot say that any two set is related to one another. It is what? A relation R is any subset of Cartesian product of A and B. So it means what? A relation R, if we say from set A, from A to B, if we suppose say, then it means if we take any subset of A cross B, then this 1-1 subset is 1-1 relation. Example, suppose A is a set containing element 1, 2. B is a set containing element, suppose AB. Then A cross B is what? 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B. Okay, so how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if I take, suppose, set containing element, only one element. This is a relation. Suppose, if we take two at a time, that is, suppose 1B and 2A, then it is also a relation. If we take 3 at a time, that is 1A, twice A, any 3, then it is also a relation. If we take null set, this is also a relation, then name is also given. Its name is then empty relation. Or any relation which it can be what? Total set A and B across B. Yes, that is improper subset. Then also it is also a relation. Now, that is relation we have learned, that is any subset from set A to B. Of course, it is any subset. Even null set is also can be taken as one relation. Then we will consider, that is domain of a relation. What is domain? If domain, of course it is a set which contains the first element of every pair of relation R. The set of all first elements of order pair in a relation is called domain of the set. Is called domain of that relation. Suppose R1 is there. It contains, suppose A1, then C2, then X3. Then here domain will be what? Domain is A, C and X. So A, C, X are what? They are the first elements of every pair. Now another thing we will learn, it is what? That is our range and then codomain. The set of all second element of ordered pairs in a relation is called range. Of course, the range of that relation. Here, if we consider this relation, then range will be, it is of course a set which contains the element 1, 2, 3. What are 1, 2, 3? Second elements of the set. Then it is called our what? Range. Then the whole set V, codomain we are asking, if relation R is from A to B, that is what? R is a subset of A cross B. Then that total set V is called codomain. Is called codomain. So it is the suppose this range, it belongs to what? They are inside the codomain. So of course you will remember that range that should be always codomain, subset of codomain. তো আমি এবার বাংলায় বুঝিয়ে দিচ্ছি রিলেশন হচ্ছে কি? রিলেশন একটা সেট থেকে আরেকটা সেট এ থেকে সেট বির মানে হচ্ছে যে কার্টেসিয়ান প্রোডাক্ট যদি আমরা করি এ আর বি, তার সাবসেট যেগুলো হবে সেই এক একটা সাবসেটকে এক একটা রিলেশন বলতে পারবো। তারপরে যদি আমি ডোমেইন কথাটা বলি, যে প্রত্যেকটা পেয়ারের ফার্স্ট এলিমেন্ট, একটা রিলেশনের মধ্যে এক একটা পেয়ার বলে এলিমেন্ট আছে, প্রত্যেকটা ফার্স্ট এলিমেন্ট নিয়ে যে সেট তৈরি হবে সেটাই হবে ডোমেইন। সেকেন্ড এলিমেন্ট নিয়ে যেটা হবে পেয়ারের, সেটা হবে সেই সেটটাকে বলবো রেঞ্জ। এখন আর মনে করো এ থেকে বি মধ্যে আছে, তখন বি টোটাল সেটটাই হবে কোডোমেইন। তো ডোমেইন মানে ফার্স্ট এলিমেন্ট, রেঞ্জ মানে হচ্ছে সেকেন্ড এলিমেন্টের সেট, কোডোমেইন হচ্ছে রেঞ্জটা যে সাবসেটের ভিতরে থাকে। এই হলো আমাদের रिलेशन डोमेन रेंज कोऑर्डिनेट। तो रिलेशन क्या है? रिलेशन है एक कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट का किसी भी सबसेट, ये नाल सेट भी हो सकते हैं, टोटल कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट भी हो सकते हैं, उसको बोलते हैं हम लोग रिलेशन। तो रिलेशन किसी सेट ए और बी के बीच में क्या बोलते हैं कि ए क्रॉस बी, ए कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट बी का कोई भी सबसेट ले ले उसको बोलते हैं रिलेशन। डोमेन क्या होता है? डोमेन होता है कि रिलेशन के अंदर जो पेयर बनेगा उसका फर्स्ट एलिमेंट लेके जो सेट बनता है उसको बोलते हैं डोमेन सेट। रेंज क्या होता है कि दूसरा जो एलिमेंट से उसको लेके जो सेट बनता है उसको बोलते हैं रेंज, और रेंज जिस सेट के अंदर है उसको बोलते हैं हम लोग कोडोमेन। So that much definition needed for our solving. Now we will do first question of exercise 2.2. So in exercise 2.2, they have said let A is equal to set containing element 1, 2, 3, 4 dot 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 14. Of course, natural number from 1 to 14 they are saying. Define a relation R from A to A. A to A means here no B set B. B is also set A. And R is a set, R is a relation, of course it is a set, where R is a pair XY such that thrice x minus y equal to 0. XY definitely from A. Then we have to say what is domain, codomain and range. Remember, every time when you want to do a sum, definitely questions and understanding of question is very much needed. So now here I will write what is they have given A. A is 1, 2, 3, 4, like that up to 14. Relation R is from A to A, that is A cross A. So here pair is XY and it is such that thrice x minus y equal to 0. XY belongs to from set. Then say you have to find domain, codomain, range, everything you have to find. Now see how to do. Thrice x minus y is equal to 0 means what? Thrice x minus y equal to 0 means thrice x is equal to y. This means y is 3 times of x. Always y's value will be what? 3 times that of x. So if we put, and xy should be both from A. So if we put x from this set, that is 1, then as y is what? 3 times of x, so it will be 3 into 1, that is 3. Now if we put second element 2 as the value of x, so y will be 3 times of this, that is 6. If we put 3, then it will be 9, 3 times. If we put 4, then it is 12. But if we put 5, 5 is also there, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, up to 14. But then 5 3s are 15. Y will be out of this one set. So we cannot put this one. So our R is up to this much. So therefore our domain set, domain is of course set containing element 1, 2, 3 and 4. Why? These are the first elements 1, 2, 3, 4. I have written inside set, so it is our domain. Range. Range is the second element 3, 6, 9 and 12 of this pair, of this relation. So these are the set containing this one is called our range, and our codomain is the set containing element, that is total set A is our codomain. তো এখানে দেওয়া আছে সেট A মানে 1 2 3 4 আপ টু 14। রিলেশন আরটা বলেছে পেয়ার xy, যেখানে thrice x minus y equal to 0 এই সম্পর্কের মধ্যেই xy আছে, xy এর থেকে নিতে হবে। thrice x minus y 0 মানে কি? thrice x is equal to y, y টা x এর 3 গুণ। ঠিক আছে, তো x এখান থেকে বসালাম 1, এর 3 গুণ 3 হবে। x এর ভ্যালু এখান থেকে 2 বসালাম, এর 3 টাইমস 6 হবে। 3 বসালাম এখান থেকে, এর 3 টাইমস 9 হবে। 4 বসালাম, এর 3 টাইমস 12 হলো। এখন ডোমেইন কি হবে? এই প্রথম এলিমেন্টগুলো 1 2 3 4 নিয়ে সেট বানালাম, এটা ডোমেইন হবে। রেঞ্জ কি হবে? পরের এলিমেন্টগুলো নিয়ে যে সেট তৈরি হলো সেটা হলো রেঞ্জ। আর এই রেঞ্জটা সেট এর মধ্যেই থাকবে, বিকজ আর ইজ ফ্রম হোয়াট? A to A, A to A মানে কি? আর সাবসেট অফ A ক্রস A, তার মানে সেকেন্ড সেট এখানে A, तो এটাই হবে कोडोमेन। तो एक साम दे रखा है जहाँ पे सेट बोल रहा है कि 1 2 3 4 से 14 तक। रिलेशन वहाँ पे बना रखा है कि पेयर XY, जहाँ पे XY इसी कंडीशन के साथ रहते हैं कि thrice x minus y should be equal to 0 एंड xy एक ही साथ। thrice x minus y equal to 0 मतलब होता है y x का 3 टाइम्स है। तो x अगर हम यहाँ पे से बैठाए तो y का वैल्यू x का 3 टाइम्स होता है। y का x का वैल्यू 2 बैठा दिया जाए तो इसका भी 6 बनेगा, 3 बेटा दिया 9 बनेगा, 4 बेटा दिया 12 बनेगा। तो 1 2 3 4 पहला एलिमेंट एक एक पेयर का लिया, उसको बोलते हैं डोमेन। सेकेंड एलिमेंट लेके जो सेट बनता है उसको बोलता है रेंज। और इसी रेंज सेट एक ही अंदर ही है, क्योंकि वो लोग बोला है कि आर इज फ्रॉम ए टू ए, तो उस ए को बोलते हैं कोडोमेन। तो दिस इज आवर सम। नाउ आई वांट टू गिव वन होमवर्क, that is, suppose it is from this second question. So the second question is what? That is here given, instead of a, second is your homework. Instead of a, here it is natural number, it is n is given 1 2 3 4 dot 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 infinity. R is given xy such that y is equal to x plus 5. xy, x is natural number less than equal to 4, less than 4, x less than 4, and xy both belongs to n. Then you have to find what is domain. First you have to write in roster form, that is this form you have to write. Then you have to write the domain, range, and if possible you will do the codomain also. So again I want to repeat that one. Those who will submit homework, I will give as attendance as present. Those who will not submit in proper time before 5 p.m, I will not give the present. Another thing, any wrong spelling, those who have complained, that now I will make correct in the register, but your duty is to, when college will open, you will go and make it correct in the office room, because I think in registration especially you will write that correct way only. And that writings what I have written, it is actually you have fill up the form. In your form actually you have written like that. So okay, no problem, I can, if it is wrong so I can make correct in your attendance, but remaining thing you have to make correct. So that much for today.